Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu. How are you, students? First we recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Beta, today we are going to revise and practice capital A till Z. A till Z. Begin your work with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and finish saying Alhamdulillah. Okay, now start writing. A. One slanting line, two slanting line, one sleeping line. A. The sound of A is A. The sound of A is A. What comes after A? B. One standing line, one curve, two curve. B. The sound of B is B. A. The sound of A is A. B. The sound of B is B. What comes after B? C. One big curve. C. A, B, C. The sound of C is K. K. What comes after C? D. One standing line, one curve. D. A. The sound of A is A. B. The sound of B is B. C. The sound of C is K. D. The sound of D is D. What comes after D? E. One standing line, one sleeping line, two sleeping line, three sleeping line. E. The sound of E is Eh. The sound of E is Eh. What comes after E? F. One standing line, one sleeping line, two sleeping line. F. The sound of F is The sound of F is What comes after F? G. One big curve, go up, come down. G. The sound of G is G. The sound of G is G. What comes after G? H. One standing line, two standing line, one sleeping line. H. The sound of H is The sound of H is A. The sound of A is A. B. The sound of B is B. C. The sound of C is K. D. The sound of D is D. E. The sound of E is A. F. The sound of F is G. The sound of G is G. H. The sound of H is What comes after H? I. I is one standing line. I. One standing line. The sound of I is E. The sound of I is E. What comes after I? J. One standing line. Turn a little. J. The sound of J is J. The sound of J is J. What comes after J? K. One standing line, one slanting line, two slanting line like a cake. K. The sound of K is K. The sound of K is K. What comes after K? L. One standing line, one sleeping line. L. The sound of L is L. What comes after L? M. One standing line, one slanting line, two slanting line, one standing line. M. The sound of M is M. The sound of M is M. What comes after M? N. One standing line, one slanting line, one standing line. N. The sound of N is in. The sound of N is in. What comes after N? O. O. O is round and round. O. The sound of O is O. What comes after O? P. One standing line, one curve. The sound of P is P. The sound of P is P. What comes after P? Q. Q is round and round, like O, with slanting line. Q. The sound of Q is Qua. Qua. What comes after Q? R. One standing line, one curve, like P, with slanting line. R. The sound of R is R. The sound of R is R. What comes after R? S. The sound of S is S, like a snake hiss. S. Anti-clockwise and clockwise direction. S. The sound of S is S, like a snake hiss. What comes after S? T. One sleeping line, one standing line. T. The sound of T is T. The sound of T is T. A. The sound of A is A. B. The sound of B is B. C. The sound of C is K. D. The sound of D is D. E. The sound of E is E. F. The sound of F is F. G. The sound of G is G. H. The sound of H is H. I. The sound of I is I. J. The sound of J is J. K. The sound of K is K. L. The sound of L is L. M. The sound of M is M. N. The sound of N is N. O. The sound of O is O. P. The sound of P is P. Q. The sound of Q is Q. R. The sound of R is R. S. The sound of S is S. T. The sound of T is T. What comes after T? U. The standing line, turn and go up. U. U-turn. U. The sound of U are A and U. What comes after U? V. The sound of V is V. One slanting line, come down, go up, two slanting line. V, like a victory. V, the sound of V is V. What comes after V? W, like a zigzag. One slanting line, two slanting line, three slanting line, four slanting line, like a zigzag. The sound of W is W. The sound of W is W. What comes after W? X. X. The sound of X is X, like a cross. One slanting line, two slanting line, cross, like a cross. The sound of X is X. What comes after X? Y. The sound of Y is Y. One slanting line, two slanting line, Y. The sound of Y is Y. What comes after Y? Z. The sound of Z is Z. One sleeping line, one slanting line, one sleeping line. Z. The sound of Z is Z. Again read A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now sounds A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, वो, X या Z. Okay beta, you have to revise and practice capital A till Z. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.